Hey people, so there is this show called Skin Decision Before and After. That is on Netflix, and basically it chronicles these two stunning female plastic surgeons who do like tummy tucks and whatever botox injections for the face, and also it's like a 45-minute long show, and it really, and it's very nice that the people who undergo that surgery, they are made to record themselves even 2 weeks 4 weeks after the surgery to speak about the kind of results they've experienced. So I feel unlike there's this another show called The Plastic Surgeons of Beverly Hills or something. So that was a little almost flaky, but this one it really tells you. But honestly, I'll be a little honest. It is when you watch a show like this, you really think that, oh my god, if I have like a bulging tummy, I need to go and do the surgery, or if my skin is not so great, I should do the surgery. So it it kind of, it's a little bit of that shortcut sort of method shortcut. Or I feel anyone who goes under the knife should like, if there is a real valid reason, then it's fine, but otherwise it's, I think, the human mind is such, anything, even if you reach the pinnacle of perfection, which there's no such thing, you will want something more. Oh, I wish I had blue eyes. I wish, no, there was this lady who came on Kaun Banega Crorepati, and who actually told Amitabh Bachchan, a very gobsmacked Amitabh Bachchan, that if she were to win 1 crore, she would opt for surgery to change the color of her eyes. And this was a lady in her 40s saying that, she always wanted light eyes or blue eyes or some such thing. So Amitabh Bachchan kept looking at her like, oh my god, in my 70 years I thought I had met a whole spectrum of people. But no, so that's what a show like this, right? Skin Decisions Before and After will make you feel that, oh, I can change this, I can change that. But yeah, it's worth watching because it is so unique. On that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.